Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup bread. Let's begin by understanding what makes this bread so special and how it perfectly complements your favorite soups. This bread is designed to be soft and absorbent, ideal for soaking up delicious broths. You'll learn to create a versatile loaf that enhances any meal, whether it's a hearty stew or a light bisque. We'll cover simple techniques for achieving a perfect texture and flavor, ensuring your homemade bread is a delightful addition to your table. Gathering your ingredients and tools is the first step to success. You'll need about 4 cups of all-purpose or bread flour, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 1/4 cups of warm water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For tools, a stand mixer with a dough hook or a large mixing bowl for hand mixing is essential. Don't forget your measuring cups, spoons, and a kitchen scale for precision. Finally, a Dutch oven or a baking sheet will be used for baking your delicious loaf. Now, let's walk through the baking process. First, activate your yeast by dissolving 1 packet in 1 1/4 cups of warm water with a pinch of sugar. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Next, combine 4 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Then gradually add the yeast mixture, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. To achieve a perfect, crispy crust, preheat your Dutch oven inside the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit before carefully placing your dough inside. For an aromatic twist, try incorporating 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary or thyme into the dough. You can also add 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese or minced garlic for a savory variation that pairs wonderfully with many soups. And for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book, plus other great deals. Experiment with these tips to make your soup bread truly unique and delicious.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.